Now look who creeping, look who crawling, still ballin' in the mix. It's that 6'6" long dick, slim nigga sticking your chick. Pulling tricks, looking slick at all times when I'm flipping. Bar sipping, car dipping, Grant Wood grain gripping. Still tipping on four rolls, rapping, four hoes, and no packing, and no packing. Blowing on that endo, GameCube, Nintendo, 5% tint, so you can't see up in my window. These niggas don't understand me, cause I'm boss hog on candy. Top down at Maxis with a big Glock 9 handy. Pieced up, creased up, stand dressed to impress. Big boss Bill Buckle under my Michelin S.O.
Guys, got this plate welded on there, now it's time to pull. Before I carry on with this video, I just want to mention that it's extremely important to do all your pulls first before you start replacing any panels. Now I know it does seem like you could just take off these damaged things, you know, drill off all of the spot welds and everything will loosen itself up and end up being straight. Guys, it doesn't work like that, even though, you know, in theory it might seem like that. But I've done all of this pulling and I've done my measurements. I used the other donor car as reference, so I know everything is now straight and ready for the new part. Alright players, so we've got this far, taken off these scrap panels, drilled all of them out. There were so many spot welds to drill out, but got all of them. These panels are now scrapped, wherever they are. I don't know where they are, lying around somewhere, but don't need those anymore. And then I gotta weld the new panels on tomorrow, but we're gonna get pretty far. If I don't finish up, that's okay, as long as we get some good progress made, because tomorrow is half day gonna be spent on the Miata. I really want to get this engine and gearbox dropped in, so finish up making the official tubular gearbox mount, and then we can drop that, and behind the car is the motor, and then finally slide everything in. Hey guys, today's another day and we're going to be working on the new gearbox mount for the V12 Miata. So I've already started working on it and I've got a couple of other things laid out for it so far. So I decided to give the MG a skip today since I need to be doing a lot of drilling and I don't really want to be making much noise on a Sunday. But anyways, back to the mount. So these are the other two mounting points, like you can see on this one. So we gotta do this one. Now I have this tacked up with the MIG machine, but I'm rather gonna go with the TIG now to finish this all up. So I have most of the things pre-cut, as you can see over here, and there's just a few other cuts that we gotta do and put this whole thing together. Coming. Who is Mike Jones coming? Slab shining with the grilling woman, slab shining with the grilling woman. I'm Mike Jones, who? Mike Jones, the one and only, you can't clone me. Got a lot of haters and a lot of homies, some friends and some phony. Back then hoes didn't want me, now I'm hot hoes all on me. Back then hoes didn't want me, now I'm hot hoes all on me. Back then hoes didn't want me, now I'm hot hoes all on me. Back then hoes didn't want me, now I'm hot hoes all on me.
My chain light up like a lamp, cause now I'm back with the camp. I'm crawling similar to an ant, cause I'm low to the earth. People's feelings get hurt when they figure out what I'm worth. I got 84,
you guys can probably see that it's
at the
smoking
club,
a
I'm
lot,
showing
but that's
out.
from the
Clear, ain't no
galvanizing.
doubt. Always wanna know what I'm about. Biggest diamonds off in my mouth, princess cuts all in my chain, wood grain all in my range, dripping stains when I switch lanes. Switch the name, it's still the same. Switch a house or switch a blast. Mike Jones, he running the game and magnificent by this cash. Michael Watts, he made me hot. Hard work took me to the top. G-Dash took me to the lot. He wrote a check and bought a drop. I got the internet going nuts, but T-Ferris got my back, so now I'm holding my nuts. It's power wow, baby. What you know about me? I'm on that 5-9 South Lee, baby. Holla at me.
Really easy to tell if something is galvanized, but if something is quite dirty and you can see there's a bit of a like yellowy browny burny color, that's a galvanizing. So I'm going to clean this up and you're going to get a real good look of what these things look like. I have this thing all cleaned up now and it looks great. Hey guys, check how weird this stuff looks. Kind of looks like spider web or like candy floss or cotton candy. Looks so soft and actually almost looks like smoke that's standing still. This is our new gearbox mount, and this one is so much better compared to the last one. Not that the fit is better, but it is so much lighter. So you can see I can, you know, sort of pick it up and hold it with 2 fingers. Then let's go to this one, the old one. Sorry, excuse the mess. That's a sign of me being busy. Damn. It's even difficult for me to even hold it just like this. So we're saving a lot of weight. And this one I think looks a lot better. Tubular things always seem to look so much better. But there's our mounting points. This came out real nice. I'm super happy with the whole thing. The only thing left to do is to do this mounting point. I'll show you now. This piece we're going to transfer to the new tubular one. It's going to be somewhere around over here so that the gearbox can then live in its place. But I first want to mount this onto the car. Hope you guys are going to be able to see this. It looks fine on camera. So once the engine is in its place, this will determine exactly where along that gearbox is going to fit on that cross member that we made. So I think the reason why there's like 4 mounting points for that piece is because I think since this is all Miatas are pretty much drop tops, convertible cabriolet things, that I think it stops the car from twisting like that. So that's why I've gone and made that thing pretty beefy. But there's still other 2 bracings that I want to do on it. But now you can imagine that when the engine is in place, it's going to be backed up against there and the gearbox is going to bolt onto it. So that's going to let us know how far on this mounting we need to go with that other piece that bolts onto this cross member piece for the gearbox.